Saan nagsimula yung inyong career? Ano yung naging first job nyo? Paano umabot sa ngayon na meron kayong tatlong business?
Actually, very humble yung start ko. No? I was a working student. Siguro dahil active student leader ako. So medyo bibo-bibo sa school. Nag-start ako as a working student. Tapos after nung college ko, nag-work ako as a research and development sa isang research company, si MSGNI.
Okay.
So, yan na sila, Miss Juby Soriano. So, it's a research and data company.
Okay.
So, nag-work ako doon as actually volunteer pa lang, wala pa ako salary.
Talaga?
Oo.
Okay.
Tapos, dahil maluwag sila and a Christian company, so we do Bible study on a regular basis. Very entrepreneurial. So, meron ko yung mga regular session break na tinuturuan kami paano magnegosyo. And by heart kasi entrepreneurial na ako kasi